appointment?
My lords,
Who cancelled your appointment? Against that order, you can file an appeal. What is over with regard to non-hearing part is concerned.
he did not exercise.
These are all guidelines. These are not even statutory rules. As per you, it was by the district magistrate.
Magistrate.
We'll take up at 12. We have called her.
Lords,
ये वही है ना 12 जो एक और मेंशन भी किया अर्जेंट वो भी सभी ने
But the matter relates to the selection and cancellation of the appointment of the petitioner as Anganwadi Sevika. In the year 2007, Amsabha was held and petitioner was appointed.
आंगनवाड़ी वर्कर
Anganwadi Sevika.
we have already held so.
It is all appellate order is there on record, my lords, all without jurisdiction. I have been subjected, I have been
What is
victimized.
the jurisdiction?
My lords, allow me to place facts. Initially, I was appointed as a Sevika. One of the contestant filed complaint before the DPO. DPO exercised jurisdiction. Report of in pursuant to the report of the SDO, my appointment was upheld. That order of DPO was challenged before the Lokayukt by the respondent number 7. Lokayukt passed an order for inquiry of the matter, and the matter travelled again before the DPO, and inquiry was held. I was not even noticed during the whole inquiry. I was not noticed, and on 27, the first order passed in favor of me, and after just 2 months, again I received order कि आपका चयन रद्द किया जाता है, and that proceeding pursuant to which I was my appointment was cancelled. I was not noticed, my lords. This is the whole case that I have been subjected, victimized in a proceeding where natural justice was not
Cancelled
followed.
your appointment?
My lords,
Who cancelled your appointment?
the DPO,
DPO. Against that order, you can file an appeal.
we have filed, my lords. We came before this honorable court. The honorable court, White annexure at page 44 minutes. Honorable court kept the order in abeyance and directed the matter to be heard, keeping in view that the earlier order passed by the DPO himself, he has to consider his own findings and then pass a result.
Then what happened?
Then, my lords, they passed an order saying that
They heard you, na, again.
they heard us. Pursuant to that direction, the DPO didn't follow the judgment of the
So that
honorable
stage
court.
is over with regard to non-hearing part is concerned.
He did not exercise. He referred the matter to the district magistrate. Although there was a direction of the honorable court that he has to
Now
exercise,
district magistrate has passed an order.
district magistrate passed order.
So then against that there is a revision lying to the commissioner
Order of deputy director
against the district magistrate.
against the district magistrate, there is a provision for revision merits under 2019 rules.
Yes. Go there.
But the
That is what we have said.
appellate, there is an
That is what we have said.
first order of the DM, first order of the DPO, then by DM, then by the deputy director. My respectful submission is that I was not noticed by the pursuant to the proceeding
लिखिए.
held by the.
We have already held. Sorry. We are not holding them to be maintainable in court.
But this is the director. The order impugned is the order of deputy director. It is the order of the deputy director.
Doesn't matter whoever it may be. Under the provisions, there is a revision available to you. These are all guidelines. These are not even statutory rules. You can't get them enforced in the court of law. If they are not enforceable, what is the position of your posting?
My respectful submission is only to the extent that my natural justice has been violated.
Right.
I have not been given opportunity.
The principles of natural justice if they have not been followed. You can't be approaching in writ petition in the High Court for each and every case where there is a violation of principles of natural justice.
Where the petitioner will go, minutes.
Tomorrow you will say if there any shop, any person who is working in the shop, he is removed, he says, my principles of natural justice have not been followed. So he comes to the High Court and writ petition.
But there
We
is,
have to lay down certain restrictions.
my lords,
And then there is enough three tier provision for filing of appeals, revision. What more? There has to be some quietness, some end to it.
already there is the order of deputy director, my lords. How the commissioner
Yes,
will
sir.
exercise against the order of deputy director? my
Where
lords.
is the
My lords,
opinion?
we
Who
can
are you
dis-
to say that it does not? He has been given under the guidelines. If the deputy director has done it, he has done it wrongly. You can argue that it was the district magistrate who was to do it. As per you, it was by the district magistrate.
Magistrate.
Then against that, commissioner has is a superior authority.
My lords.
Yes. Same terms.
My prayer only would be to the extent
Anganwadi wala.
that natural justice may kindly be recorded in my respectful submission, my lords.